Typical example of a customer cannot afford what he's driving. Customer in this S-Class came over, rode on a flat tire. From how far we don't know, for a new tire. In the process, this is what happened to this tire.
Shut up. Yo, Frank está cogiendo un video. Coño, tú no ves. Este lo va a subir.
So, now the customer has no issue buying a tire for $125, but will not pay for dismounting the old tire to install a new one. So what they chose to do is have it remounted in the car and not making us liable for anything, and go somewhere else to have it installed. This is ridiculous.
Don't hawk.
The car's already having issues due to that flat issue in the car with the electronic brakes and a couple of other sensors that were triggered in the process of driving the car for that long distance. This is the new tire.
Que vaya con Dios, ¿verdad?